Now we go into the lesson called functions. First of all, we have already learned what is relation and function in class 11. And to recapitulate, a function is an ordered pair, or it's a relation containing ordered pair a comma b, such that a belongs to a and b belongs to b, and every element of a has a unique one and only image in B, then we call it as a function. Consider x comma y belonging to R obeying this relation, then we write y is equal to a function of x. Other notations to write function is f is a function from set A to set B and y is equal to f of x. So it's a mapping of every element of A to B. The following Venn diagram is an example of the function. So let's take three elements A1, A2, A3. Let's take some elements B1, B2, B3, B4 in the set B. If I map A to B1 and A2 to B2 and A3 to B4, all the elements of the first element set A is mapped to elements of B, hence it is a function, and it has got a unique image. I will explain more with more Venn diagrams to make you understand what is the meaning of unique image. Now let's consider the following more of Venn diagrammatic approach of function. If I have A here and set B here, I will consider again the 3 points A1, A2, A3 and the point B1, point B2, point B3, point B4. I find A is related to B1, A2 is also related to B1 and A3 is related to B2. Still I find the ordered pair A1, B1 and A2, B1 have unique image. A1 has a unique image B1, A2 has a unique image B2. The other elements are A3 mapped to B2. Hence this is also a function. But let's consider this mapping 3 A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, B4. Now I find A1 is mapped to B1 as well as A1 is mapped to B2. The first element A1 has got no unique image, hence this is not a function. One more example of not a function is, suppose I consider 4 elements in A, A1, A2, A3, A4, and I have many elements. A1 mapped to one element, A2 is mapped to another element, A3 is mapped to another element, but there is no mapping for the element A4 in B. Still this A4 is not mapped, every element has not been mapped, hence this is also not a function. Now we will now take you to the idea of the domain and range codomain of a function. Let's take a function A, mapping of all elements of A to B. I find all the elements of A has been mapped to B, therefore the set A is domain. But some of the elements of B is not fully mapped, some of the elements of B is left out as shown in the following diagram. You see this, there are 4 elements in A, there may be about more elements in B. This element is mapped to 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 this. We are left out with these elements circled. Therefore, this is A is domain, but the whole of B is not covered. Those elements which is covered by the mapping, that is this element, this element, this element, if they are put into a single set, they are called range. Removing this, so I will rewrite these elements here, these elements, and put them as called a range. The balance elements are not covered in the range. The whole of B is called codomain.